Megan, there were a lot of customers here today at Jerk City Grill. One of the co-owners told me that they plan to donate a few dollars from every entree sold to the victims and that survived Hurricane Melissa. On Wednesday, Hurricane Melissa brought catastrophic winds and flooding across parts of the Caribbean. In Jamaica, the storm struck as a powerful Category 5 hurricane, leaving major destruction behind. Mississippians are now stepping in to help with recovery efforts.
Roofs torn off of houses, and then, of course, with all the rain that came down the mountains and the elevated parts of the island, turned into, kinetic flood waves that are running through towns and neighborhoods.
Trasher says Cajun Navy United, which has 13 chapters across the U.S., including one in Mississippi, had storm volunteers on standby in Jamaica since Saturday. Teams are now assessing damage and delivering aid in several affected communities.
They're healthy and they are in good shape, but they are just not in a position to be able to leave because the Montego Bay Airport sustained enough damage to where they cannot reopen it anytime soon.
Back in Ridgeland, local businesses are also pitching in. At Smoke Concepts, the parent company of Jerk City Grill, Unc's Barbecue, and the African Wok food truck, $2 from every entree sold this month will go toward hurricane relief efforts.
This is one of my favorite. Got the cabbage from Jerk City, and then I always get some rice and stuff up on here. Then I get the mac and cheese to go with it.
The restaurant's co-owner says helping Jamaica hits close to home.
The Caribbean culture here in Jackson, Mississippi, and we can't sit by and let Jamaica hurt and not step up.
This fundraiser will continue through November. It will be all through November, and they said every donation that is raised will go to the Red Cross to help with recovery efforts. I'm live at Jerk City Grill, Brooklyn Joyner, 16 WAPT News.